If you're encountering a GeoCinema error, application error, a client-side exception has occurred, see the browser console for more information. You can try the following solutions. Here are step-by-step solution for GeoCinema error. First step, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or cellular data if possible. Second step, clear the cache and data of GeoCinema app. To do this, long press on GeoCinema app. Tap on info icon. And find storage. Then tap on clear cache. And tap on clear data, confirm to clear it, then go back and find permission. Allow all the permissions. Check if your problem have solved or not. Third step, update the GeoCinema app. To do this, tap on Play Store or App Store. Search for GeoCinema. Check if there is update. Update it. Fourth step, restart your device. Reboot your phone or device to refresh its settings. To do this, long press on device's power button. And swipe to restart it. Fifth step, try using a different device. If you are still getting the error, try using a different device to see if that resolves the issue. Sixth step, check for GeoCinema server issues. Sometimes, GeoCinema may experience server problems. You can check the status of GeoCinema servers on websites like Down Detector. If you have tried all of the above and you are still getting the error, you can contact GeoCinema support for assistance. Here are some additional tips to help you avoid GeoCinema errors. Make sure that you are using a supported device. You can check the list of supported devices on the GeoCinema website. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the GeoCinema app. Keep your device's operating system up to date. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks whenever possible, as they can be less secure and less reliable than private networks. Use a strong and reliable password for your GeoCinema account. By following these tips, you can help to protect your GeoCinema account and avoid common errors. Thank you. Please subscribe to TechSoar.